Alright, impromptu video, but some of you may recognize this SE as being none other than Ryan's. Well, trying to get some OSs installed on it, and I've basically spent the better part of all night to get this done. Well, finally got some headway, so I thought I'd actually demonstrate this for you real quick. So, let's go and turn this thing on. And we've got a big mess of wires Rominator 2 in there. So, as we can see here, this thing is going to boot right up into, I believe, System 7, or System 7.5.3, Mac OS. It's going to take a minute because, well, we're running in 24-bit mode. Or, I believe, 24-bit mode. But the kitty's saying hi at the door, cheering me on as I do this, and yeah, we've got some flicker going on because of the refresh rate, so I do apologize for that. So we're in System 7.5. If we go to control, or if we go to About This Mac, you can see we are not running in the proper mode because most of our RAM is gone. So let's go ahead and just go over here, go to memory, and this is probably going to be the motivation to put a battery in here and probably a coin cell, not the half double A's, because those are terrible when they go off. We don't want this thing to battery bomb, so 32-bit addressing needs to be on, and then we can restart the machine. And we already know 7.5 to work, so we're going to go ahead and close that. Go to System 6, System Picker. And because I said a thing on Twitter, and someone was like, no, System 7.1 is the best, I figured, yeah, let's put 7.1 on here too. Have a bunch of partitions for this. So, restart. This should be a lot quicker. There we go. Now it's saying we're in 32-bit mode, and if I do hit R here, it will actually boot off the ROM, because there is a full, well, stripped down, but bootable 7.1 image on the ROM itself, which is pretty damn cool. I hope I can get my own SE30 up. I know I have a lead on one, and man, it'd be cool to have a Rominator. Pretty cool little things. So here we are in 7.1. Go right over here, and as you see, the RAM is now back down to normal, which means we are now in 32-bit mode. So, control panel. It all works. Keep virtual memory off. We don't really need it when we have as much RAM as it actually is in here. So 7.1 works. Let's go ahead and fire up the picker one more time. Well, actually, we're gonna stay. We're gonna do this actually. So let me see if I can find the folder it's in. We're gonna screw around a little bit here, but I once asked, because 8-bit fever dreams, God, I'm sorry. I'm so tired now, but 1-bit fever dreams, I really like his YouTube banner, and I asked him, where did you get that? And he said, actually a game called Deja Vu. And I decided, you know what, we're gonna put it on this machine, because why not? I'm sure Ryan would appreciate some new games to play, but here it is. Running perfectly fine. And yeah, we're in the bathroom stall. Whoop-de-doo. Open it. We're gonna go out of here, and we are going to, let's see, examine the mirror. And there it is, right there. That looks so cool. And we can't quit because we're doing things, so there we go. We're not gonna save. But now we can go back. I just wanted to show that off real quick. But now we can go back to System Picker. And now we can select System 6 and restart. My hand is getting tired from holding the camera, or my phone, I should say. And we will demonstrate the ROM disk very quickly here. Oh, yeah, we have to go to 24-bit for System 6 to work, so we'll do that. Damn, System 6 is so fast, but also kind of limited in what it can do. So, one last restart. And I just learned while doing all this, you can actually just hit the R key at the Big Mess of Wires logo and it'll take you right in. You don't have to wait for the prompt. There it is, RAM disk, or ROM disk, with a couple of utilities, and it's got HDSE setup patch, which is super useful. SCSI probe, again useful. ResEdit, again just awesome to have that here because you actually need to use ResEdit to get 7.5 on here. And the system folder, which shockingly comes with CD-ROM support. So you can hook an external CD-ROM in here and it'll just work. So yeah, that's it for this little machine. Very quick little project that, for you guys, very quick, but for me, it took a long time. Yeah, empty the trash, I guess. And then we'll shut down. It is now safe to switch off your Macintosh. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time.